Hello friends, welcome back to the PharmaBiz. Now we know most of the organizations are arranging interview in between December to May months. And at that time, if you are not aware of the interview questions and answers, so you will lose good opportunity. So at any time, you should be ready for the interview. For that, you should be understand the basics of the what we can say interview questions. Otherwise, some instrumental questions, some equipment questions, or other guideline related questions. Such things, if you are updating yourself, then interview will be easy for you. So in this video, I am trying to get you new say information about the disintegration test. Already we have covered dissolution and HPLC, all the interviews, all interview questions and answers we have covered in earlier videos. Now in this video, I am going to cover disintegration test interview questions and answer. So let's get start without delaying this video. What is USP general chapter number for the disintegration test? And the answer is the USP general chapter number is 701. What is disintegration time? It is a common question for all interview. It is a time required for a tablet or capsule to break into fragments under given set of a condition. Given set of condition means medium temperature and pH. Why to perform disintegration test? To measure whether tablet or capsule are disintegrate within the time or not. This is a simple answer. How many tablet or capsule analyze in a disintegration test? It is a common question. It is 6 tablet or capsule are analyzed in a DT. What should be the temperature of the medium? That is generally you know very well, 37 degrees plus minus 2 degrees centigrade, like as a dissolution. Why disk is used in a disintegration test? To avoid floating of the capsule, disk is used. What is cycle frequency in a DT? 29 to 32 cycles per minute through a distance of 55 plus minus 2 mm. What is upward and downward stroke position in a DT? Upward stroke is in such a way that the wire mesh should be below 50 mm of the medium surface and not less than 25 mm above the bottom of the vessel in a downward stroke. What is the disintegration time for the tablet? So for uncoated tablet 15 minutes, soluble tablet 3 minutes, dispersible tablet 3 minutes, effervescent tablet 5 minutes. Enteric coated tablet should not disintegrate in 120 minutes in HCl but should disintegrate within the 60 minutes in a buffer. So remaining are coated tablet. Two types are there, sugar coated 60 minutes and film coated 30 minutes. This is the disintegration time for all tablets. What is the disintegration time in a capsule? For hard capsule 30 minutes, soft capsule 60 minutes. Enteric capsule should not disintegrate in 120 minutes, later on disintegrate in 16 minutes. This is for capsule. Which tablet have longer disintegration time? The answer is enteric coated tablet having a longer disintegration time. Which tablet have less disintegration time? Soluble tablets have a less disintegration time. What are the factors affecting the disintegration time of a tablet? The answer is lubricants, binder and hardness. These are the factors that affect the DT. What is L1 and L2 in a DT? So L1 and L2 are two stages. L1 need to analyze 6 tablets and L2 we analyze 12 units or 12 tablets. What is the acceptance criteria for the disintegration test? All units should be disintegrated within the time. This is the criteria. What if VL1 stage fail? So if VL1 stage fail, analyze 12 more units and out of 18 units, 16 units should be disintegrated within the time. 18 units, that means L1 6 units and L2 12 units. all are 18 units. Out of them, 16 units should be pass. What is difference between dissolution and a DT? So answer is dissolution is a time required to dissolve a drug product into a medium, and a DT is a time required to disintegrate the drug product into a fragment in a medium. So this is a simple difference between dissolution and DT. Most of the persons are having confusion between these two definitions. So just read it carefully. So now next, what questions for you? What is dissolution chapter number as per USP? Just answer me your answer in comment box. And thanks for watching this video and get ready for the interview.